I'm Stephanie, a teacher at Hoffman Academy. Music teachers get asked a lot of questions, and a lot of those questions are about age. What's the best age to start music lessons? Or, is my child too old to start learning an instrument? First of all, it's never too late to start learning music. You aren't too old, your grandmother isn't too old, and your child isn't too old. That said, if it's never too late, is there a best age to start learning lessons? We typically recommend ages 6 to 8. At this age, students pick up languages and build connections really quickly. It's a perfect time for learning music. So how do you know if your 6 to 8-year-old is ready to start? Here's a quick checklist. First, does the student want to play piano? The motivation to play has to come from the student. It will make everything easier, from daily practice to learning tricky sections of music. Second, look at the size of the student's hands. Can they easily place 5 fingers on 5 adjacent white keys? For some 5 and 6-year-olds, that's a big stretch. If it's a stretch for your student, consider waiting for those hands to grow just a little bit bigger. Third, check for finger dexterity. Can your student move each finger individually? If your answer is yes to all of the above, the desire to learn, hand size, and finger independence, then it's a great time to try out your first lesson. We've got a link to Hoffman Academy Lesson 1 in the video description below. If you think your student isn't ready or is just a little bit too young, you can still encourage that love of music. Singing, dancing, clapping along to the beat, listening to music. These are all great ways to make music accessible without an instrument. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.